With the rapid development of the domestic aviation and the continuous increased number of passengers, the airport has higher requirements for the automatic baggage sorting system. Wayz provides comprehensive solutions for baggage handling system design, manufacturing, and system integration for new and old airports of different scales to meet customers' one-stop demand, from space planning and design, product technology research and development, to system operation and landing. Wayz provides option of manual check-in or self-service check-in in accordance with customer needs, together with different types of check-in conveyors. Wayz Security Check solution ensures the throughput and luggage safety while minimizing the possibility of inconvenience and delays. The complex conversion from Level 3 standard to Level 5 standard for baggage security can be realized. The body of carrier is mainly made of lightweight aluminum material. The modular design is easy to maintain, and it comes with photoelectric coating, which can realize precise control of movement. Flexible cross-belt sorting ensures faster and more accurate matching of luggage to the correct position. In order to meet the needs of customers for diversified products, Wayz has designed different types of chutes to realize the transportation and buffering of luggage in different space. On different occasions, we provide customers with two flexible baggage handling solutions, the horizontal carousel and the tilt carousel. The modular design of the baggage carousel makes installation and improvements easier. The airport baggage handling system takes charge of baggage transportation and retrieval under the control of SCADA information system. Through real-time data exchange, it monitors on-site operating equipment, collects data, maintains the normal operation of the airport so as to realize intelligent airport management. Meanwhile, RFID, radio frequency identification technology, will be used in BHS to achieve accurate tracking of the whole process of luggage transportation. Wayz combines intelligent software and integrated products to improve the efficiency of baggage sorting, reduce error rates, so as to provide passengers with a better travel experience.